I had a chance to go over and check out Uptown Dallas while I was staying in Fort Worth. And another cool thing that happened in Fort Worth is I had a chance to go up there and play some songs at Rivers Cocktail and Wine Bar when my friend Bronson Lewis invited me up there to play. I was curious to finally check out Uptown Dallas, which is located just north of downtown. It's a vibrant Dallas neighborhood, and there's about 22,000 people that lived here. And generally, it's about 1 square mile, at least the area that's the most popular and encompassing of all the nightlife and interesting spot is about 1 square mile big. It's centrally located, and so Highway 75 is just east of here for getting downtown or getting up to Highland Park, which is another upscale neighborhood around the area. Uptown is a nightlife area, and it's a business district or business culture with entertainment. There's a lot of young professionals here who come right out of college. So there's more people who are single, and there's less families here. There's more of an urban lifestyle, and there's a pretty good social scene with folks coming in here somewhat late into the night or into the evenings. It is a pretty dense district with a diversity of establishments here, from those businesses and offices, but also those apartments and all the retail that you could find here, the nice restaurants and dining, the shopping and the fancy hotels, and that nightlife. Uptown Dallas is one of the most walkable neighborhoods around Dallas, although they also have a free trolley here, and they also have a DART station, which is a light rail that can take you around the area. And you can get even more walking in if you go over to Katy Trail nearby, which has walking and biking along some nature. The original footage that I showed in this video is from Klyde Warren Park, which is a notable area of Uptown, which has really nice views of the city skyline. It's got close access to those businesses, and it's got some fountains and some food trucks and some community events happening. Like, for example, the Nasher Sculpture Center is there, and they were advertising for their Midnight at the Nasher event with music, movies, and moonlight. McKinney Avenue is the notable path, and that goes from Klyde Warren Park up to the next major area, which is the West Village area of Uptown Dallas. West Village is a popular spot with shopping and a lot of boutiques, but also places to live and those dining and bar opportunities. It's also a popular spot for nightlife too. In terms of live music, if we go back along McKinney, one of the first spots that I walked along that I've seen have live music is called Haywire. Then as you drive up along McKinney Avenue North, you could pass along Avanti Restaurant, which I've seen that they've had live music there. And then just past there is this place called the Standard Pour, which also has had live music. But during this trip, I was out in Fort Worth, and I had a chance to check out this new spot called Rivers Cocktail and Wine Bar. That's where Bronson Lewis was playing, and that's where he invited me up to play some songs. So I had a good time getting up there and also eating some of that pizza that they've got there while I was hanging out there in Fort Worth.
Building a door is better than building a wall. Screaming out your window, you won't make a friend at all. When you're looking for the lost and found, 'cause you lost your way around, you might get to thinking you're struggling, you got no place to fall. Building a door is better than building a wall.
Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music around Texas and the neighborhoods and cities. Check out the thumbnails that pop up if you want to watch more videos about that, or you could click on my channel and look at those thumbnails and see which of those topics interest you. Give those videos a view, and thanks for giving this video a view.